Hey guys, this is Angie at Chicken Scratch, and this is the card we're making today. Here are the supplies. We've got crumb cake cardstock that measures 8.5 by 5.5. And we have another scrap for our scallop circle here. Then we've got powder pink that measures 5 by 3 3/4, and another piece that measures 3.5 by 1 1/8. We've got the All My Love Designer Series paper that measures 4 3/4 by 3.5. Lovely lipstick, 3.5 by 5/8, and then Whisper White for our circle here. Okay, let's score our card. Okay, so I'm going to score this at 4 1/4. And fold to form the card base. Next, we're going to take the Designer Series paper and attach it right to the powder pink. Don't forget that powder pink is one of those colors that's going to be retiring this year. And then we're going to add that right to the card front. Okay. Now this piece is going to go right around there. So what we're going to do is take the banner, what is this called? Tailor tag punch. And we're going to flag the ends. And I'm just going to layer those just like that, okay? So I'm going to add the adhesive to this one. You can make this shorter or longer if you prefer. And then I'm going to add it to the card front. Okay, now let's stamp our image. We're going to start with the greeting because I think it's a little bit easier to stamp the greeting and then stamp the bird, okay? So lovely lipstick. Okay, so Hey Valentine. And then we'll stamp the bird. And I need to bring this closer to my face. We're going to cut this out with the 2-inch circle punch. So you want to make sure you give it enough time to dry. It looks a little off center. It is a little off. It'll be okay. Next, I'm going to take my markers and I'm going to color his body with crumb cake. Light crumb cake. I'm going to color his beak with dark Pool Party. And then the heart with the dark Lovely lipstick. And I did stamp the bird not in the center. So you do want to make sure that that foot is right above the V, where it's a little past it on this one. So it's a little cattywampus. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm going to get the big shot and we're going to cut out this scallop circle. We are almost done. Okay, so I've got the big shot. And I got it packed form and a cutting pad. My scallop circle with crumb cake. Okay, so now let's wrap up this card. So I'm going to attach this to my crumb cake. You can see where I messed up earlier. That's the beauty of having two-sided paper. You didn't know that, or you didn't see it before. And then we're going to pop it up with dimensional. So I'm just going to place 2 on the back. And then add it right about there. And we're going to take this Whisper White sheer ribbon. I would have used the flax ribbon in the Occasions catalog. It is on back order right now. It'll be in later in February. So in the meantime, I'm going to use a ribbon that is, and I need to stop talking because I can tie better bows when I don't talk. There we go. So what I was saying is the flax ribbon is on back order, I believe, till mid-February. So I'm just going to try to use other ribbon until it's back in stock. And then it's just going to go right down there. I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller. This is nice ribbon though. It sometimes gets ignored. And I'm going to take my paper piercer and add a glue dot down here at the bottom, and then add my bow. It's a very simple card, but I think it's cute. Okay, there you have it. If you need anything, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.